of ELC, that is English Language Center, and we are here to just talk about Rajghat. As you know, where was that? That was a very prestigious place. And you know, there we are actually on Rajghat. This is a very prestigious place because Mahatma Gandhi is cremated here. You might know very well that who is a Mahatma Gandhi. He is a great freedom fighter, and he is our father. You know that he is called the father of nation. The reason is because he has participated a lot in the freedom of the India. So I think that this is a very good thing, and we should respect him.
So, Charisma, they could have some I'm chewing or else. So, maybe some the way exactly the Rajghat is exactly.
Oh yeah, for sure. As you were just asking where this place located, it is just located on the bank of Holy River Yamuna, and that was on the Mahatma Gandhi Ring Road, officially named after our father of nation, that is Mahatma Gandhi ji. And I think that you should know about that. I don't know why you don't know.
Means that Mahatma Gandhi is like the father of the nation.
Yeah, obviously he's just called father of nation because he just do a lot of things for our nation, and he just do he's a very famous freedom fighter also.
And you know that this place is very unique and very beautiful, and there you can see there are very green area, and lots of people are coming here for visiting this place because this place is very unique history. Can you tell me something about this place?
Yeah, of course, it's also just one of the important place. You know that there's a lot of the foreign dignitaries always coming here for the. They also just laying the flower in the cremation of the Mahatma Gandhi, and you know that they also just doing. They also just visiting in this place. It's also just one of the memorial and historical place on here. So we also just gather here. I just want to ask you. Could you tell me explain about this history? What is the meaning of that? What is the meaning of this place? What is the importance?
Obviously, as you were just asking about the history, I can explain about that. As this is a Rajghat, it is also means the King's Code, and that was named behind our disputed, or you can say the greatest freedom fighter, that is Mahatma Gandhi ji. He was a very great leader, and he had to believe that we can get independence without violence, or if you're just talking in his language, then we can say that we can get independence with non-violence. And he has some very different methods. As he just saying that we can just get independence with the fast, we can just do the faster to our death. But many freedom fighters were there who don't like this type of things. They only just want a battle. They only just want to the bloodshed. As you were saying, actually, I want to ask a question that do you even know who is the architect who just made this place? Yeah, I think that Banu Bhutta is a person who is the architecture of this place. And you know, I want to tell you one thing. This is very important. You know that there is a flame which perpetually burn, and the reason is to symbolize the cremated Mahatma Gandhi. So I think that this is a very good thing, and we want to give respect in the way that it comes. So I think that this is very important for us to come here to see the beauty of this Rajghat. And actually, this is a very good place because Mahatma Gandhi is the only person who wanted the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan and clean India. Oh yeah. Actually, there is one question arises in my mind. Could anyone of you just tell me that there is a word that is Hey Ram written over the platform, that is a black milestone, they were just made of that. Could anyone please tell me that who is that person? Just a request of which we just named that things on the platform.
I come to know about that. On the last night, I also just read about that. Jawaharlal Nehru, former Prime Minister of India, who is also the greatest Prime Minister of the world, who also just prescribed about that. We should also just mention the name of Hey Ram on this place because of that. The last word of the Gandhiji also just Hey Ram. So that's why just because of that, they also just make this importance on here.
So can you please describe the beauty of this Rajghat? Because I can see there is a very greenery and there is no any type of garbage.
Yeah, of course,
do you think that?
Of course, no matter because I can describe like the beauty of here, like the Rajghat, because as they have told me, it's like the located in like the in India. Let me also know that because lots of there is like the green and greenery. You can see that because if you want to like the sit here on the time because it's look very beauty. And let me also one more in that because it's look too. You can say that it's like the looking too tremendous in the world. I can say that.
Is it comfortable for you?
Yeah, of course, comfortable. Even I can like lay here because whatever I want, I can do there. But let me also one more in that because never just try this.
Yeah,
Oh,
definitely. You
yeah.
are
Yeah,
right,
it's looking
Vivek.
too
This
good,
place
yeah.
is very unique. That is why all person are coming here, and that they spend lots of time here because this place is very unique and peaceful. If you want some peace in your life, so you can come here,
Yeah,
and
this
you
is also
also
like
see the
the
beauty
You
of
can
this
see that
place.
there are a lot of people who have came here just for the peace because they don't get peace in the countryside. You will see that the people are so busy in their life, they cannot do anything. So they think that we should come here and to get the peace because you know this is a very peaceful place and beautiful place. Oh yeah. Actually, whatever you were just saying, I want to say something, ma'am. Actually, there is a problem in your mic. You are not using your mic properly.
No, there is no problem in my mic. It's my habit that I put a mic in my hand like that because that time I feel very comfortable and confident that if I am put my mic like that.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Oh, guys, I'm just come to know about that. There's the one of the
Oh,
can't
no,
know what
okay,
is there.
let
Yeah, I
it
can't know
be.
what is there.
I think that you forget what you want to say, but I
Sorry,
never
yeah.
forget whatever I just learned before any
Yeah.
time. Actually, Vivek, there's a question. Before some time, you just lay down on the floor.
Yes, of course,
What
I
do you
will.
think? And just because it is very green, as I can just touch, if I just throw it, then what will you do at that time?
Yeah, no, yeah, because like we also promote that because sometimes because there is also like the water tree, also like the laying here and there, and you can see that there is a lots of greenery here and there. Just look at there is also like the lots of like the trees. You can see like the coconut tree. And like
Yeah.
also,
You know, before some time I've told you about this flame. There's this flame continuity. This is the flame that burns continuity. It means that this is a symbol that Mahatma Gandhi cremated here.
Oh yeah,
What is
actually,
it?
but as you were just saying that this is a flame because it's burned continuously. So could you please explain something about that? That what was it or how it is made? What is the importance of this place? Do you know about that? If you have, then you can explain.
Yeah,
me.
I think that I can tell you about a little bit because you were asking about this whole place. Actually, there are so many things to explain, so I think that it will take a lot of time. So I just tell you about like a summary. So you can see this flame. I can tell you about this flame. This is a flame. I have already told you actually. So, but I can tell you.
But
again.
I think that you have not much knowledge about that. I have a lot of knowledge. I can explain.
Let
it.
me tell you
Why
that
not?
I don't think so that it may be possible that you have more knowledge than
Oh,
me.
yeah.
You can also explain it, but I think that this is the only reason to symbolize the cremated Mahatma Gandhi. This is the flame as the only reason. This is the only reason.
Okay, actually, whatever you were just explaining, that was totally right. I just want to add something more about it. Actually, as we know, this is the flame that was burned continuously, as you were just saying. And this place was just constructed by an architecture, that is Bahuji Bhutta, who just also got the title of Indian Invitational Competition that was held by Indian government. And he's a very famous architecture, you can say that. And many people were just coming here to have the knowledge about it. And many people were also there. As I want to also add something that whenever there's some special occasion like Republic Day, Independence Day, or many more things, that day, all the major dignitaries, whenever they were coming here, this is the compulsion that they were just coming here and they were just put down their foot. So thank you, sir. You have told so many things about this place. What you get actually, why I have came here, and thank you to give you such a precious time. Thank you, sir.
It's my
Thank you
pleasure.
so
You also
much.
just coming here for.
Yeah,
that
sir.
one.
Thank you
Okay,
so
I'm
much.
also just
Thank
grateful
you.
for you.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.